What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Detail Garage. Joseph and Joey here for another exciting and unique episode. Why is it so unique? Well, a good customer and friend of ours brought in this beautiful 59 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. And not only is it so beautiful, but it's also crazy original. Like most of the paint on there, 36K original miles. This beautiful beast, lace frame, and it looks nasty, but we're gonna go ahead and step it up even more. And Joey, what's our plans for this vehicle?
So we got a nice Glover white color right here, which is kind of like a cream white color. We're gonna go and enhance the paint by applying a coat of white light glaze, which is gonna fill in any kind of slight microscopic scratches. And we're gonna top it off with a coat of white wax, which is a high gloss luminous wax that's also gonna lay down a durable coat of sealant on here.
That is right. So these products are designed for light color vehicles such as like white, even like a silver. It's going to work out amazing. So as Joey says, that the white light, which is going to be the first thing we use, is a hybrid. So it's almost like a glaze and a sealant built into one. So much like makeup for women, it's going to go ahead and help hide those imperfections, give it that crazy nice pop. And for that extra protection, that extra glow, we're going to go ahead and throw on the beautiful white wax, which literally has a white pigment. Almost looks like a seagull. You know, if a seagull was to go ahead and be melted down and put inside of a little canister, that is going to be, not to be a little bit violent, I don't mean that we would actually melt down a seagull, but still, you get what I'm saying. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and step up and get those products, get all situated, and get ready to get to work and get our hands dirty, all right? So here it comes right now. All right, guys, so step one, as you'll see Joey over my left shoulder right here, he's gonna go ahead and start off with getting off any of that dust and light dirt contamination that possibly might be on the car. I know before anyone says anything, this vehicle is very well maintained and the owner is meticulous about like the condition that he brings the vehicle in. But still on the drive here was roughly about like 15 miles or so, you're still gonna get a little bit of light grime or dust and dirt that's on the vehicle. So Joey's gonna go ahead and use our lovely product called Swift Wipe. Swift Wipe is basically gonna be a waterless wash. Very easy to use. Give it a couple squirts and wipe with that soft microfiber cloth in one direction. Anytime you're using a quick detail spray or waterless, you always want to go ahead and make sure that you're doing one direction, and that's going to be a swipe motion like this, and any dust is going to be going away from the vehicle, not smearing it around. That's how you would actually create fine surface scratches. So Joey's going to go ahead and go around the vehicle with that Swift Wipe product, and once that surface is beautifully clean and free of all that dust, we're going to move into step two, which is going to be that white light application. All right, guys, now for step number two. Joey is going to go and apply our hybrid radiant finish white light. So as I just mentioned earlier, white light is going to be that glaze and sealant fused up into one. It's not all about the protection, but it is about that crazy pop and that crazy glow. So right now, Joey's going to be applying it by doing a couple lines on a premium microfiber applicator, and he's going to spread it out in straight lines. Now, weather here for us in LA right now is actually pretty cold. Anytime whenever the temperature of the vehicle is a little bit on the chilly side, you're going to go ahead and let this thing bond for about 10 to 15 minutes and then wipe it off. Now, let's say it was a typical nice, beautiful, warm, sunny day over here, about 70 degrees or so, then it might only be on there for about 7 to 10 minutes and then wiping it off. Now, whenever you wipe it off, we're going to be choosing right now our premium, beautiful, edgeless microfiber towel. So it's edgeless, that means that there's no real edge on there. So there's not going to be any like nylon stitching, none of that stuff. Now, about the towels, to keep them nice, soft, and cuddly, you're going to go ahead and make sure that they're not going to go inside the dryer because heat will actually kill and break down those microfibers. So always air dry, tumble dry if you need to. And remember to use something like microfiber wash is a great way to maintain those towels. So white light, again, perfect choice for you if you have a light color vehicle like white or silver. Apply it on, let it sit for that little brief moment in time, buff it off, beautiful shine, a little bit of protection, but it's mainly about that crazy extra pop and glow. Just a few minutes, you'll go ahead and see after we've let it cure, Joey's gonna go ahead and buff it off with this towel, and then we're on to step number three, which is gonna be that white wax. Stay tuned. final step. Yes, we saved the best for last, and that is going to be the Chemical Guys white wax. So white wax not only has a white bottle on it, it also has white pigment. So as you can kind of see, everything's blending on in. What you're going to do is you're going to take an applicator such as our foam UFO applicator, which we love using for this one, and you're going to go ahead and just dab in there just a little bit. You just need a little bit, goes a very long way. Just dab on there and apply it into straight lines. Don't go too heavy on the application, because since it is a paste wax, it'll harden up and make it a little bit more difficult for you to wipe off. So again, just dab it a little bit, straight lines, nice even haze will start to form and within just a couple minutes. And take something ultra soft and plush like our edgeless towels, that what you see Joey using in the background shortly, to go ahead and buff it off to that mirror-like finish. So again, this is going to give you a great pop, great glow, and of course, with it being a paste wax, amazing protection that what you'll have. So in just a few minutes, you're going to go ahead and see us do the entire vehicle. Right now, Joey's focusing on the hood. I'm going to go ahead and give him some help, buff it off, and it's going to look amazing. The CEO sled is going to be show ready in no time. All right, guys, so just stay on tune and watch us go ahead and finish it. As we finished up with this beautiful and lovely last step, which was the white wax, I wanted to give you guys a little tip and trick. And what that is that since you're dealing with the paste wax, that means usually you have to put in a little bit more elbow grease as you go to wipe off the surface. You want to make sure to give it that little inspection eye, that little inspect what you expect, right? And if you see any haziness that's a little bit difficult to come off, what we've used is our VO7 spray sealant to lubricate that surface, and our Ultra Plush two-phase towel. A little bit thicker than the edgeless towel we were using, and it makes the rest of the detailing a beautiful breeze, all right? So now I'm going to put that up. So Joey, excellent job today, all right? Those arms, you could actually see it, a little bit. Look at that, that definition coming in. All right, so basically, if you like this video, which I'm sure that you did, give it a nice thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel, and guaranteed you're going to see another video on this beautiful thing. And I can't tell you exactly what it is, but it's going to be something that really brings out that passion for shine in your life. All right. So also follow us on Instagram, Chemical Guys, Facebook, Chemical Guys, all that stuff. And definitely comment below of what you liked about this video and what you would like to see more. From Joseph and Joey from the Detail Garage, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we'll see you very, very soon.